So this is to document that the Laseractive from Nick here is working. Playing some TH3 Thunderstrike. Hell yeah. This game's better than the Saturn version, if you don't already know. I will say that this thing loads really slowly. I think the laser is on its way out. But it does play cartridges, and it does play Sega CD games. Let's go ahead and... I should probably turn it off, actually. I know you just started playing. Let's go ahead and show the boot menu there actually comes up now. The tray doesn't eject or anything like that. If I hit the LD button, the Laserdisc part comes out. There's the CD part. The one thing I noticed is that even if I hit the CD button, the LD tray always comes out. I don't remember if that's what the Laseractive normally does or not, because there is that CD part that can pop out. But I just hit CD and it always ejects the whole tray, which, I don't know. It's alright. So there's your menu. It's working good. You can navigate. I could not navigate it before because it was all messed up. And I'll go ahead and put in a game now. Cartridge. The label facing down the way it's supposed to be. Playing some Sonic Spinball. You want to play a little bit? Just to show it's working. You ever play this? Oh no, don't drown! I love this music, it's so classic. It's another thing fixed by Sega Sonic fan. Get the ammo. And this is the one that has the, unfortunately this got damaged in shipping a little bit, a little chip there. Not much I can do about that. But, yeah, looks like it's working good now.